Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through building a sales win-loss KPI dashboard in Power BI using a straightforward demo dataset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to load data, create powerful measures, add clear KPI visuals, and even polish your dashboard with rich, interactive elements. This is perfect if you want hands-on practice with real Power BI skills using a dataset that's quick to understand but covers all the essentials. Let's dive right in. We'll start by bringing our data into Power BI. Go ahead and launch Power BI Desktop. Once you're in, look up at the toolbar and click on Home, then select Enter Data. This opens up a table view where you can paste your dataset. Don't worry about perfect formatting. The column headers like Opportunity ID, Sales Rep, Customer, Product, Stage, Amount, and Close Date are exactly what Power BI expects. Go ahead and paste the sample sales opportunity data you have, then hit the Load button. Power BI will bring this table in as a brand new dataset, setting the foundation for everything we'll build today. Think of this like putting all your ingredients on the kitchen counter before you start cooking. Having clean and organized data is key to a smooth dashboard build. Now, let's make our dashboard smart by creating measures. These are calculations that do the heavy lifting for our KPIs. Power BI uses DAX formulas for this, and believe me, once you get the basics, it feels pretty intuitive. The first measure is total opportunities. In your data view, click New Measure and type Controls Sales Opportunities. This tells Power BI to tally up every single row so every sales opportunity is counted. Next, we want to find out how many deals we've actually won. For total won, create a new measure and use Calculate with a filter for stage equals 1. This way, you're not just counting all deals, but specifically zeroing in on successful ones. Do the same for total lost, but this time filter on stage equals lost. This lets you track missed opportunities, which is just as important for improving your process. Of course, we want to know our win rate, the ratio that tells us how well we're really doing. For win rate, type divide total won, total opportunities 0. This simple calculation gives you a clear percentage, making it easy to see trends or issues at a glance. Once you have those measures, it's time to visualize them. Click Insert and add card visuals for each KPI: total opportunities, total won, total lost, and win rate. These act like the headline stats on your dashboard, giving you immediate feedback on overall performance. Next, let's see how each salesperson is performing. Add a clustered column chart, put sales rep on the axis, and add both total won and total lost as your values. You'll get a side-by-side view for every sales rep, which can spark great discussions in your team meetings about what's working and where there's room to grow. For a time-based perspective, insert a line chart, set close date as the axis, and plot both total won and total lost as the values. This helps you spot trends. Maybe certain times of year are tougher or you see a big win streak. It's like watching your sales story unfold over time. If you want to go the extra mile, add slicers. These little filters let you interactively see results by product or by sales rep, making your dashboard much more dynamic. Conditional formatting is another pro touch. Highlight a high win rate in green to show success at a glance, or use red if things are slipping. And for even more details, try adding dynamic tooltips so that when you hover over a chart, you get rich context about what's really happening. So as a quick recap, you've learned to load in your data, create powerful DAX measures for clear KPIs, design visuals that let you and your team quickly grasp the state of your sales, and add slick finishing touches to make your dashboard pop. This is exactly how real companies track and improve their win-loss performance. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.